At this point, it's probably a good idea just to move the design data form off to one side, or alternatively, if you've got another screen, you can use that. And then we're going to move the display of the screen so we can clearly see the 400 and 500 feet station markers on our alignment. You'll notice that the start station and the end station values are far preceding and exceeding the real stations of the string. This means that if we make any adjustments to the stations on the string, maybe we move them back or forward, we are guaranteed to have that template assigned within that station range, which as you can see is very, very large. So if at any point you don't know the start station and end station, you can just type in very large values. The template we've got assigned is Road 1, so if we wanted to change this to an alternative template, this is where we would do it. If we weren't interested in having multiple templates assigned to a string, this is the only way we can change the template that's being assigned to a road or a profile string. So to start off with, we're going to make an adjustment to the end station that's currently being used to our first template entry. Where we've got the current end station with the very large value of 100,000, we're going to change that to 400. When you type 400, you'll notice that down the bottom of the design data form, we have a button which appears. That is Add Update. This signifies that we want to make a change. So click that button. You can see there that the line work of our string has been trimmed back. The model, however, hasn't updated. In the Auto Model module, we did discuss how to update this, and it's found on the ribbon, and it's this button found here. You can either strike it here, but we actually provide it for you in the design data form. So you can click on it there. You can see how the model has now been updated. What we'd now like to do is have a different template for that first 400 feet. So we're going to go to the template name, click on the pull down and choose the one that we created earlier with the 8-foot sidewalk. Then click on Add Update and again strike Auto Model. You can see in the drawing environment that that has now been changed. For the remainder of the string, we'd like to have our original Road 1 template applied. So to do this, we have to add another entry. We're going to go down to the Add Entry button down the bottom left-hand corner of the form. And for the start station, type in 400. For the end station, type in a large value. So I'm typing in 100,000 here to make sure I'm getting the end of my string. The template name will be Road 1, and we're going to leave Merge blank for the time being. Click on Add Update, and then click on Auto Model. If you zoom into the station range of about 400, you'll see that we've got what looks like some kind of transition occurring. Whereas when we created these two entries, we've said start and finish at station 400. We're now going to look at how the software generates these templates and cross-sections along our string. Let's close down the design data form.